My name is Rebecca Dragseth, and I own Therapeutic Connections School of Massage, and we have been in business for over 17 years, and we just keep going. I went and got my education in Western and studied teaching, and then I had the full epiphany that it was time for me to become a massage therapist, and I was 29 years old, so that is when it all started, and I remember walking into the classroom and thinking, this is where I am meant to be. And I had a little thought in the back of my head that said, and someday you're going to teach this. So it felt like kind of like this full circle, like everything coming together for me. It's pretty exciting. I think teaching massage for me is so fulfilling because, for one, I'm a massage therapist and I'm a kinesthetic person and I work with my hands. And so the students that are coming into this program, they are kinesthetic people. They're already either playing instruments or they're molding and shaping things, or they're doing a labor job where they're moving their bodies around. Some students come in from a desk job, right? So they've been just sitting and they're like, I can't sit anymore. And what that tells me is that they're not a sitter. They're a kinesthetic person that got put into a job where you're sitting, and that doesn't quite fit for that. I think with the students, my favorite thing is just guiding them, showing them something kind of cool and new, just doing a little tweak in their body, talking to them and asking them questions about how does that feel when you're doing that? And what is your experience while you're doing this and learning this, and for whatever level they're at, right? And there's just something so satisfying about bringing that down kind of grounded and watching someone have a moment of learning. It's a neat feeling. I think that is such a beautiful thing, to put somebody into an educational environment and have them learn so much, not only about themselves, but about a particular skill, gain all that confidence, and then step out into the world and be able to share that with their fellow colleagues, their fellow massage therapists, and then especially with their clients and with their families. Everybody sees the transformation. I mean, you just kind of can't miss it. And putting out confident massage therapists in this industry, that honestly brings me so much joy. The vision I have for the future for this school is to continue to build this community. The coolest thing I find in the classroom is that you can have a classroom full of students and they start connecting. And all of a sudden you get an invite to an open house and it's 3 students that graduated together and now they're starting their own studio. Or one student who went and got a job somewhere and then called the other student who graduated the next session and brought them in and got them a job. It's just so inspiring to watch this community of students connecting with each other, helping each other, and really just opening that door for each other. That part of the community makes me really happy because it really puts a lot of amazing massage therapists out there, and they don't have to do it alone.